Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day today. It's cloudy here, a little cooler for a change, so I figured to go outside and clean the truck up a little bit. We've got two mods done to the truck, little mods, nothing big, just little things that were just driving me crazy. One of them was we did a window tint strip on the front windshield at the top, keep the glare out, make it look a little cooler. Let me show you that. Right there you can see it, and you can see it's got a couple little bubbles right over there, right over here, but it's not a big thing. It looks good, as you can see. Anyway, what you do is you leave that bowl. I just did this last night. Excuse me. Anyway, I did this last night, so you have to let it sit for a couple days. There's the sun. And let the sun bake on it. And after the sun bakes on it, then you get your little pin, poke the center of the bubble, just push it out, side. Gets rid of it, gone, never showed, disappears. But a lot of your little tiny ones, they'll disappear with the heat, so you won't have to worry about it no more. The other thing we did is I replaced the antenna on the truck, and I'll show you that right now. Ready? All right, guys, here we go. I got a problem with my truck. And it's just real simply the stupid antenna from the radio. It drives me nuts. Every time if I take the truck through a car wash or something, it just grabs it, bends the hell out of it. Now it's to the point it's just totally bent. Here, let me give you a shot of what's going on. Excuse the sun glare there, but if you see I'll turn the camera this way for you. I think you can see that that's tilted awful bad out. And it just keeps getting worse. You can bend it back in, but then it turns around and just goes right back out again. I mean, it's the craziest thing I've ever seen. So, I have a solution. So what I did, I went to O'Reilly's and I grabbed one of these kits. Little OEM 7-inch rubber replacement roof mast, and it was just 20 bucks. It was cheap mod. Shouldn't take just a few minutes to fix it. And what I'm gonna do is put that on, show you how easy it is. So let me grab the tools and we'll get at it. All right, guys, let me get the tool. Good old dependable crescent wrench. There we go. Set that right there. Oh, damn, look at this. Weeble, weeble, weeble. Got some long threads in it. Look at that. This guy. I'm going to put a little Loctite on it, mainly so nobody steals the damn thing, because knowing my luck, somebody will see this and thinks it looks really cool, and they'll try to steal the thing off my truck. Okay, get this out of the way. Oh, I hope this fits. Oh yes, it fits. Alright, now, I'm going to let you look at it. Boy, I'm sweating like a dog. It's like 103 out here. Alright, now. There it is. Just a little bitty guy. But I think that looks a heck of a lot better. Okay, hope you enjoyed that antenna video. That antenna just drove me completely insane. Every time I walked up to a truck, or I was washing it, here's this crooked damn antenna going like this up the side of the truck. Drove me nuts. I can tell you this about it. They do work great. You've seen the brand I got. I just got it from O'Reilly's, nothing big. Just about, I think it's a $20 bill. Not a big deal. But if you do the radio, I do radio, flash drive, and Picks up all the stations, does very well. But cool looking, looks better on a truck. Alright guys, now I want to tell you, when I clean my tires, let me show you here. I use the BenGlory's Hot Shine tire spray, and then I use the Mother's Wheel and Tire Cleaner. But now this one is BenGlory's. It's the Walmart version. You buy it at Walmart, it's $5 a bottle instead of $10. So hey, if you save money, you save money. It never hurts. And that's the tire. No, they're not super dirty, but I was just going to show you anyhow how I do it. And so let me set the camera up and then I'll show you real quick. Alright guys, first thing I do, I get this one, put on a full spray, it's wide, and just, you don't have to spray it, you know, don't go thick, just, you know, be easy with it. You don't have to go crazy with it. Do the tire. I always do the tire first. These take longer. And the rim, I do a little wave, like you're spray painting. Not spray painting with your paint, like an eagle. Don't seem. Okay. Okay, there you go, got that. Now while it's sitting, make sure don't let this sit on there over 30 minutes. It says it will mess your rims up. I don't know if that means the finish or the paint or whatever. So I don't pull time, you know, I don't time and nothing like that. Just leave it roughly 30 minutes. And then 30 minutes, wrong, 30 seconds. And then we're going to spray it off with the hose. Make sure you spray it off good. I've never took a chance with it. And if it hits the driveway, I have a blacktop driveway. So make sure that you get it very, very wet so it runs off the driveway, because I don't know, it might stain the driveway or something. I don't know. I've never tried that and don't want to try that. But we'll do that. And this has been on here roughly 30 seconds. So now I'm just going to spray it off. Like I said, make sure you spray it good. Inside. Make sure you get all that stuff off it. Like I'm done, make sure I always spray the driveway. Especially use my driveway. I don't want my driveway. Okay, after that, get your microfiber and just wipe down the rim. Go around the rim, wipe it down. I'm not talking get in here and be perfect, okay? Just make sure you get inside these grooves, because that stuff loosens up all that road grime and scum stuff and gets all the crap loose. So you notice I'm not putting any pressure, you know what I mean? I'm just lightly touching it. It comes right off, you know? I mean, these aren't that dirty in the first place. So you're not gonna, you know, it's not gonna be a huge difference with it. Just, you know, hit it like that. There you go. Now, that's done. Next, and don't forget the old bathroom towel. You're gonna need that. This, you don't have to hit this real thick either. And I always kind of angle it like that. So when I spray it, it does this. Just real gentle. People think you have to go nuts with this stuff. But you notice it, I'm barely like that. That's all it takes. I'll let that sit for just a minute. And if you get a little on the rim, it's not a big deal. People make it out like it is. All you gotta do is wipe the rim off. You know, like I lightly touch the rim. all you gotta do is just real lightly hit it. I mean, you're not gonna get the whole rim cover, just little spots, so just go back over it. I'm a little OCD about this kind of stuff, so and you can hear how, you can hear it squeaking. That tells you how clean we've gotten that rim. Now I always like to wipe the extra tire shine off. Just gently go over it. I'm not saying buff the tire, but just gently go over it like this. Make sure you get down here. This is real important. A lot of people stop here, they don't think. Your tire right there is that. You're getting to here. So you got to get down in here, or when you roll, they'll see that dead spot. So you have to get down here like that. Like that. Voila! Now, as you can tell, that wasn't that hard to do. It took a couple minutes. I mean, I'm not going to keep you here for all 4 of them. I'm not going to drive you all into pure boredom watching me clean 4 rims and tires, because y'all have a lot better things to do than sit here and watch me do this crazy crap. So I'm going to do stop it, and then when I'm done, I'll show you what they look like, and we'll go from there. But that's really all there is to cleaning it. And that cleaner bottle will last you, oh shoot, I've had that one for, well, it's about April, May. And I've cleaned these rooms about, I try to do at least twice a month. In the winter, of course, you can't do as much, it's so damn cold. So I mean, it lasts a long time. And the tire shine, that's from last year. I mean, I've had that a long time. I'm not going to lie to you. And by the way, I'm not being endorsed by anybody. If I ever am being endorsed, I'll always shoot y'all straight and tell you. There's that one. I'm not too worried about being, super detailed on these rims, because I'm planning on getting new rims and tires up for the channel. Well, like you know, I'm thinking of tan or black, so I like your opinion on this. And white lettering out, or black wall out. I'm thinking of a 5-spoke pattern tire with those little aluminum steel Allen wrenches heads going around the outside. You know, very, very little chrome or aluminum on it, just a little bit, because I've got big plans for this truck. So that would be a really good idea. But hit me on the comments with your opinion. I'd really appreciate it. And there's the rims. So as you can tell, they've been there a few minutes. And that little bit of run you see on that tire right there, that's actually the water. And the cool thing, if you'll let this sit about a half hour to an hour at the most, as long as we ever let it sit, it will actually sit there and it'll dry. I always let it dry. Even the ones I've used, the ones that say you don't have to let it dry, just put it on, go off down the road. Well, I'll tell you what, this is a God's truck here. Who you told this to, they're lying to you. I have tried the $25 bottles of this crap. I have tried the $4 bottles of this crap. Usually mid-range is best value for your buck. But every one of them, even the ones that say you don't have to let it dry, you take off in this truck right now, I'm going to have splatter all over my fenders. I guarantee you it will. So, let it sit for half hour, take off, you're good as gold. You will not get nothing on your truck. But hey, that's the end of doing the tires. So I'm going to pop back over there and talk to y'all. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, I just see that's done. Before I forget, I need to show you something. I need to show you what the inside looks like with the chin strap. So let's do that real quick. So there you can see it as it looks. It's just what I wanted, you know. I just wanted to keep that glare off me when you're driving down the road from the sun. And you know, just, you know what I'm saying, if you ever had this, it makes the window just look a little bit smaller. It's just easier to see for some reason like that. I don't know why. But I thoroughly enjoy it that way. So that's what I have this time on a video. So I'll see you in the next video. Remember, be good, be safe. Do not text and drive. Oh yeah, guys, one more thing. If you like this video, you like the channel, like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up on it. And please, push that subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Let me know how much you really like the videos. But like I said, that's about it. See y'all later. Bye.